Hi, welcome back. Another important learning, field by field in shipping tab, order combination in S4 HANA sales. Let's try to understand what exactly order combination. The term itself shares that, if certain criteria meets, you can able to combine number of open sales orders into single delivery. Okay. So if it is in ECC, it has two different ways, but when it comes to S4 HANA, it is got restricted basically. Let me try to help you out how exactly this scenario works actually. Okay, where we can able to find this field. Now go to the BP master data. You take any customer for that matter. For example, I am taking this uh, business partner. If you look at this, just beside to order shipping tab, in the shipping tab you can able to find this one. Okay, so if you tick this, okay, basically you can able to combine, okay, all your open sales orders into single delivery actually. So what it talks about help, also you can able to see this indicates whether you are allowed to combine orders during delivery processing. The system proposed this indicator. So customer master record, you can change the values in both header and item level. That is different story. I will show you that one. Okay. So let's try to understand this, what exactly it is. Okay. Now we'll take this customer. What is the criteria? Sometimes they will ask in interview question. So what is the criteria you supposed to match to run the order criteria? Okay, let me try to help you out. So the first thing is that it should match your shipping point. Okay, and second one is your ship to party to combine your open sales orders into the delivery. Okay, and in terms, okay, and basically your sales order. So you have other parameters also. These are the few important parameters to combine open sales orders into single sales order, single delivery, sorry, while doing the delivery processing. So order combination, I have ticked this one. Okay, let's save this. So now let's try to go to create a sales order. Who is the partner for this? He is the customer. Okay, let's try to play with the system. So PA01, okay, press enter. Then I'll press enter. So order combination test. I'm putting this one. Okay. So let's try to check the criteria. Okay. So I'm just taking 10 pieces of this material. Okay. Let's go to the header. Okay. So go to the shipping. You can able to see this. So this is what help is talking about. If you really don't want to combine, for example, you created 20 orders in background job, okay, because of single sales order, it is creating a problem. You can able to uncheck this whenever they run. So if it is in ECC VL04 or else VL10A or 10C, also you can able to run it for open sales orders to create a delivery actually and collective processing. So that is different story. If you wanted to include your particular order into the process, if you don't want it, you can able to uncheck. That's what it is talking about. Okay. So let's go to the item. Okay. So always your ship to is header. Okay. The similar way, if you would like to exclude particular line item for your job or else collective processing, that also you can able to do it. So the field is available at both level. Let's save this. I'll take the same customer again. Okay. So let me try to put it. Okay, no problem. So let me try to add another 10 pieces. So let me try to add multiple line items. Okay. So let's see, let's check this. Okay. Let's save this with the same ship to same Incoterms and everything is same. So first order is 6694, it is created, and second order, second open sales order is 6695. Okay. So I already explained you VL04 we don't have. Okay, it is got completely absolute. Then I cannot able to show you both the process like ECC. But when it comes to S4, you can run only VL10A, VL10 star transactions actually. Basically, you just try to do this. Let me try to filter with material. Okay, you can able to do it anything either directly. You can able to give the sales orders or sold to, or whatever the case you have. Okay, if you run this, look at this. These are the here shift is the same. Okay, leave about this delivery priority and all. Okay, so it has different. It is in different quantities. If I select this. Okay, if I click on background, it will be created. Dialog means it is foreground. If I click on background, okay, at background level, it will be created. So what is the information? See log information about creating deliveries. When you click this, what is our objective? It should not create two deliveries, two separate deliveries. So everything should be combined. So what is the basic advantage? Like, so in a weekly job run, suppose for last Monday to Friday, they have created so many individual orders with small quantities that can be combined and can be processed with a single delivery so that, so you can able to create either individual or separate environment. So that is again another criteria. Suppose if you click this, so log will be displayed. Okay, all good. So if you look at this, this is the log actually. Okay, so it's up to you. Either group number, you can able to process it or else individually. Okay, when you select this line and click on documents, okay, you can get a single delivery. Okay, so when you click on display, okay, let's select this. Click on display. You can able to see this. So initially, first order, we have given only one line item. Okay. So the remaining line items also it is got added here. Okay. So let's try to check. It is got combined, right? So let me try to show you document flow also. Don't worry. So let's try to do the PCA. Here in real time, you will have a different scenarios comes into picture. All these things, whatever the process I'm manually trying, that might be automated or else once this is saved, automatic billing document will be created. A lots of things will comes into picture. Okay, now this is fine. So let's click on document flow here. Okay. Hmm. So let's click on display document first. So then click on document flow. Now you can able to see this. These are the two sales orders, which is what combined into the single delivery. If you really wanted to see the line level, if I click the items, okay. So only one line item is there for this order. From second order, we have three line items I have entered. It might be the same material, different materials. Based on material, you don't have any problem for to combine this one. So now let's go to the what do you call BP. Okay, let's try to do one thing. Let's uncheck this one. Okay. So come to the customer. This is fine, all good. Go here and go to the change mode, go to the shipping tab, and let's try to off this. Okay. Now let's try to create a couple of sales order. Let's try to see what could be the result actually. Or else you can try with if you have different ship to or something like that. Okay, let's save this. So order number is 6697. Okay, let's try to create it one more. Let's take two line items. Let's save this. These are the two orders. Okay. Now go to VL10. A or C, you can use it. C for items. Okay. Let's click this. Take this shipping point and take the same material. We'd like to process. You have a criteria. Select it. Let's click on background. Okay. Now Let's click on the log actually. Okay. So now what is this number is 2. Okay, let's select this. Let's click on the document. See, if I didn't select order combination, that's why even criteria met also, it won't combine. Okay. Not only criteria, like your ship to or shipping point or else sales or whatever the criteria you have, not only criteria. Apart from criteria also, it must, what I would say, you have to tick that order combination, then only it will work. So now, if you look at this, you have to process these ones individually. Let me try to go to the change. Let's try to finish up this one. Go to the picking tab and let's give this. So PJ. Okay, this is one. So now go for another. So now let's try to go to the change mode. Let's pick the quantity. Okay. So you take these documents, any one of the document. Okay. And switch 6, 5, 10, right? So now go to the document flow. You have only one sales order. This is different because it is got you don't require order combination, right? That's why it's working separately. Okay. So for 11 also, if you see the document flow for these 2 line items, order is different. This is how it works. And I would like to tell one more thing. What should I say? So before moving ahead further, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get more inputs like this. And when you talk about all these are the different courses, I specifically recommend this course. I'm just trying to add this also here. You can try. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Don't forget to learn if you are an SD, ECC or S/4HANA consultant. These are two my prime courses for pricing. You can give it a try. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day.